This is a 2007 GMC Envoy. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, the convenience package, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, a navigation system, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: 18-inch wheels, adjustable driver pedals, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, front and rear stabilizer bars, running boards, OnStar, the memory package, and this vehicle has fewer than 69,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.